How to withdraw money from Aviator app. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply access the casino site. So you're gonna have to begin by navigating to the online casino platform where you've been playing the Aviator game. Then you're gonna have to simply sign in into your account. So upon reaching the homepage, locate the sign in or login button at the top right corner, enter your unique username and password to access your personal account. Then once you're logged in, you're gonna have to click on your profile located on the top right side. This section manages all your financial transactions on the platform and is usually displayed on the dashboard or found in the main menu. Then you're gonna have to simply locate the withdrawal option and then simply click on withdraw. Then you're gonna have to simply choose a payment method, and after that you're gonna have to simply enter how much would you like to withdraw and then simply confirm, and that's all you have to do in order to withdraw money from Aviator. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.